I don't know why I do this to myself. I'm gonna try Dandelion and Burdock pop, basically. Um, Apparently it's British. British since 1871. It's like, I'm gonna drink weeds. That's what I'm gonna do. The eccentric botanical blend of wild unruly dandelions and the purple flowering burdock sounds rather daft, but did you know our British ancestors have been making this mysterious combination since the Middle Ages, proving it's totally timeless. I have heard of like dandelion stew or something like that. I think it's supposed to be good for you, good medicine, dandelion burdock. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm gonna give this a whirl and probably puke afterward, and I'm not showing that part on camera. Here goes. Smells sweet. Kind of tastes mildly like black licorice. It's not bad. I thought it was going to taste like grass, so, well, I'm glad I was wrong.